Euroseeds is just around the corner. What would you like to tell the European seed sector about what's ahead at Euroseeds?
So I'm actually truly excited about our upcoming Congress in Edinburgh. This is a fantastic opportunity for us all to connect, learn, and share experiences. At this year's event, we will explore the latest development in policy, attend numerous presentations and meetings, and of course enjoy the trade floor where business are made, and maybe perhaps a story or two is shared as well. So last year we launched a new feature, the Innovation Stage Competition. For those who have not yet experienced it, I will encourage you to stop by this year. It's a unique platform where topics like seed quality and production are brought to life through innovation and discussions. This year, we're also going to introduce a new feature called Next Gen Forum, a space for direct exchange between students, industry leaders, researchers, and postdocs. So this is a wonderful opportunity to learn, exchange ideas, and perhaps even meet a future colleague. On the policy side, our industry depends on a pragmatic regulatory framework and fair market conditions that ensure level playing field for everyone. Right now, we are approaching the final stage of an important negotiations around new genomic techniques and plant reproductive materials, also known as NGT and PRM, alongside many other critical issues. So our Congress creates the space and you create the content. I look forward to seeing all of you in Edinburgh, sharing ideas and shaping the future of the industry together. Safe travels. Thank you.